Hello, my name is Yuriy, I'm from Technical Prospects, and today's tech tip is about how to reset the red module in Agile system during the patient exam. So you will only reset mechanical computer and make your system up and running again. Sometimes you have the problem with movement of the system, and to reset it, it's not always good and working to reset with OK button because the error will still be memorized in the red module. To reset the red module, we can do very quick action, just pressing the off button, counting until 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and power on system back again. That will recycle the red module computer and clean your error. After our short reset, the computer wakes up without error. That means your system is ready for the patient treatment. I hope it was helpful for you and you will use it in your daily life. And for more tips, please visit technicalprospects.com resource tab.